Welcome to this Jet Worldwide presentation, Shipping to Canada from Australia. This presentation explains the fundamentals of shipping from Australia to Canada. If you're involved or want to get involved with international shipping, you should become familiar with these basic concepts. To assist with navigating the video, each subject is presented section by section, from the data necessary for customs clearance, free trade, non-resident imports, to best shipping modes and parcel carrier options. An accompanying PDF with additional information and reference links is available on our website or in the description below. Let's get started. First up, HS codes. Both countries have online resources to assist with finding HS codes. While each adheres to the World Customs Organization or WCO standards, HS classifications are unique to each country. For help with translating your product description to an HS code, visit our HS code blog, which includes an in-depth video presentation. For assistance with finding a Canadian HS code, you can go directly to the Canadian Customs Tariff. Alternatively, a great resource to consider is the online tool from the Canada Export Development Corporation. Declaring a value. In the majority of cases, the correct value to declare at export and import is the transaction value. The transaction value is simply the price paid or payable for the goods. Canadian Customs, CBSA, considers a value for duty to be the cost of goods plus shipping and insurance, known as the CIF value. Best to specify these three costs on your invoice. If the transaction price is inclusive of shipping and insurance, you should include the term CIF value. In some cases, there is no direct transaction, such as sending samples, warranty parts, or transfers between related entities. Visit our blog regarding valuation for international shipping. Country of origin. Just the shipping from Australia to Canada is not the same as shipping Australian origin goods. Australian origin goods are those that meet the rules of origin defined within the CPTPP Free Trade Agreement that we'll cover later. All shipments from Australia are subject to standard import processing. The default most favored nation duty rate will apply, unless the goods qualify as originating. There are restrictions on specific categories, including food, drugs, and alcohol. Resulting duty assessment. Import duty is determined by three main factors: tariff classification, or HS code, country of origin, and value. The tariff classification and country of origin determine the percentage to apply to the value for duty. It's important to note that all imports, even if imported duty-free, are subject to Canadian federal and provincial taxes. Visit our blog outlining other common Canadian import fees. Export declaration from Australia. Exporting consignments with a value over 2,000 Australian dollars require reporting to the Australian Border Force, ABF. Goods with restrictions require reporting regardless of value. Keep in mind that the HS code used for export may differ from the Canadian HS code. The CPTPP Free Trade Agreement. The Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, or CPTPP, is a free trade agreement between 11 countries, including Canada and Australia. It covers all aspects of trade in both goods and services. The key advantages for merchandise or goods is that Australian origin goods can qualify for preferential duty-free import to Canada. Be sure to include a certification of origin if you're requesting duty-free import via this agreement. Non-resident importer program to Canada. The NRI program allows Australian businesses to get a Canadian business number. This is a great way for Aussie companies to import goods to Canada. You can essentially act as your own distributor for your own goods to Canada and across North America. The requirements include record keeping and posting of a surety bond. Imagine sending your goods in bulk to Jet Worldwide via low-cost ocean or air freight, clearing the goods as a non-resident importer, and having your order shipped on demand across Canada from Canada. Moreover, these same goods can ship from Canada to the USA direct via low-cost ground or air, taking advantage of the $800 duty-free threshold to the USA. That's the type of opportunity you have with Jet Worldwide. Shipping options: Australia to Canada and North America, returns and reverse logistics. The international parcel shipping options from Australia include the obvious choices of name brand couriers: FedEx, UPS, DHL, and the local post. In general, Australian postal options are best for individuals shipping personal packages. Contact our team for shipping commercial goods via courier or cargo. In general, the best way or mode of shipping depends primarily on the size and weight of your consignment. The necessary time frame is also a factor, but cost usually wins out over a faster transit. Air cargo offers a lower price for smaller shipments. For larger consignments, sea freight is a preferred option. These are some of the factors our team considers to find your best shipping option. Get support for returns with a local receiving address, including receiving your Canadian Amazon removal orders. Benefit from forwarding across Canada, North America, and/or back to Australia. If you ever ask the question, wouldn't it be great to have a local partner in Canada and North America? Well, now you have the answer. Jet Worldwide. Consult with Jet's best-in-class logistics team for rates and project support.